How to sign in to Fitbit account. To sign into your Fitbit account, you can simply follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS and download the Fitbit app on your mobile device. Once downloaded, tap on the open and launch the app. Then there you can see sign in option available. Simply tap on the sign in. After you tap on the sign in, you'll be navigated to the sign in or login page. Here you'll have to input your email address and password associated with your Fitbit account. Once you have entered it, click on the login or sign in button to access your account. But if you don't have any account right now, then you can simply tap on the back option available at the top left corner and simply continue with Google to create an account and tap on the first option available there. Then scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions provided by Fitbit. Tap on the both of the checkbox. Then tap on the agree and continue option available there. Once done, so you'll have to enter your weight, height and sex. Now enter your height or weight. Once you fill up this information, you can simply tap on the next option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. So it might take few time. There will get to see male and female option available. Choose accordingly. Now continue again. Once done so, again you'll be navigated to the terms and conditions. Tap on the continue and again tap on the agree and continue option available there. Now you can see get started button available. Tap on it. If you have any other devices, then you can add the device, but if you are only trying to log in to the phone, then continue with it and tap on agree and continue option available there. You can also link your health app if you are using the iPhone. And you can see the premium option available here as well. If you want to get it, then you have to pay a certain amount, but if you don't want it, then tap on the cross icon and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.